To get a free Azure DevOps account, you cannot use the login you used for the free account. Instead, you want to use the original personal account you used to even make the portal.azure. So if you click over here on Microsoft Entra ID, and then you click here under users, don't use the my free account you made afterwards, use the first one. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you first watch our free Power Apps developer account video. Otherwise, this won't make as much sense. So up here, I'm going to type in DevOps and click on Azure DevOps Organizations. Click View My Organizations. So funny, I made this account so long ago. It's back when I lived in China. Anyways, come up here to click on Create New Organization. Click on Continue. Give this whatever name you want. Hit Continue. Give your first project a name. Click Create Project. Hop into Repos.
These ALM workshops are awesome.
And click Import. I'm going to paste this repo I have access to. It's processing. The last step is click here into Pipelines and then navigate over to New Pipeline. Select Azure Repos Git, pick it, select existing Azure pipeline. And for the path, you can click this link right here, open up samples, because now you're in your Git repository. Let's come down to pipeline definitions, select the build one, and then, all of this URL to the path of this. Come back here, paste that here, click an empty space, hit continue, and hit run. And that's it. If it's running, you're fine. It's just sometimes you get a pop-up here that you have to fill out some kind of form. The main thing here we're trying to check is if you go into project settings and you click into agent pools, as long as you have at least one pool running, you're fine. Your goal is to have one agent. This isn't a Copilot agent. It's just their wording to have a machine that can run your code. So as long as you have a machine running like this, you're fine. If you don't see this, it's because there will be a form you need to fill out. By the way, this is all free to have. If you don't believe me, you can come down here to Parallel Jobs. And you'll see here that Microsoft hosted, you're on the free tier, self-hosted, free, parallel. You get one of these agents to use, so you're good.
If you want to learn ALM and Dataverse, see the link for more online workshops.